Welcome back! Ready to see how your training creation process just got more efficient? We are excited to announce the latest updates to ArcLab SmartTransform. This tool employs generative artificial intelligence, Gen AI, helping you to produce quality training modules, often in just minutes. To get started, click on the New Project button found at the top left corner of your dashboard. Select SmartTransform AI and give your project a new title, let's say F&B Food Hygiene Training. Next, enter a prompt that outlines your module's focus. Think of it as using ChatGPT or Gemini, but trained to generate a learning module directly into your ArcLab workspace. For highly customized results, upload an existing set of training material as a reference. Giving the AI this context allows ArcLab SmartTransform to generate a module that meets your exact specifications. We support all major file types including PDF, Microsoft PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. Fine-tune how ArcLab SmartTransform builds your module through the customizable AI options provided. Depending on the learning strategy for the module, you can choose to add or omit quizzes. Next, configure the content density based on your training material. SmartTransform can build a module that is concise in point form or comprehensive with detailed explanations. Now that you have opted for quiz inclusion, ArcLab SmartTransform gives you detailed control over the question settings. Use the slider to decide the number of quiz slides you wish to place within the module. Set the strategic placement of these quiz questions throughout the module. In the option Learn First, Quiz Later, the quiz assessment will come after the content delivery. The option Quiz First, Learn Later allows you to test learners' initial knowledge on the topic before content delivery. Finally, in the alternate option, mix both content and quiz questions throughout the module for continuous engagement. Lastly, set the difficulty level for the quiz so the assessment appropriately challenges your learners. Once all features are tailored to your learners' needs and training goals, click Create. Look forward to a notification via email the moment your module is generated. Now that you've seen how ArcLab SmartTransform works, it's your turn to start to explore its full capabilities for your organization. Use ArcLab SmartTransform to start creating your training module for your workforce today. It only takes minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at growth@arclab.io or visit us at our website arclab.io.